So for we got your refrigerator here. It will run off of 12 volt or 120. Make sure to only flip one of these at a time. Otherwise, if you want it to run off propane, turn it from off to high. Let it spark. And then hold it down when you see a blue flame, and then your fridge is lit. You can adjust how high it works, so you can have it at a medium setting to warm it up or to cool it down at a medium speed. And then right here we've got your temperature set.
That's for the fridge.
Yeah. And then just turn it off. You just flip it off, and you'll see that you don't have a blue flame there anymore. That's when you know it's off.